Over here, that's not what I always wanted to talk about this section, but I never really got the chance to. Mostly because I just, like this part, and I was taught this later on, but I never actually used it properly. And I don't know why I was taught this, but it's pretty cool. And I think the best way to teach this one is to teach about how in Desmos a little bit, and how in my actually another cool thing I want to talk about is probably not thinking about it. Where is it? Oh, I don't see it actually. I wrote it somewhere here. I'm not done with this at all. It's incomplete everywhere. But oh, here it is. Yeah. So make this equation into this format. But how would you do? I probably will screw this up. But if we had sine 4x cosine, and I will explain why this is important with a derivative and an integral of this. Try to get a derivative and an integral of this. I don't think you'll be able to, but I can. And the way I would start off doing it is get the sine EIX. You'd think imaginary number is not important, but imaginary number is important because of this reason. And then, yeah, I'll leave it like this. Divided by 2, right? Yeah, 2i. And then I'll say that equals to sine x. So I can leave it like that. And then, uh, let's see. Uh, let's do cosine. Let's do cosine. Um, no, I refuse to make a deal like that. All right, minus negative I for x. This is also supposed to be negative. Okay. And this is supposed to be positive because it is cosine. And then the last one would be what's the last one? I don't know. It's what does that give me? Oh, this is 5x. Sorry, 5 e I 4x minus e I 4x 2i. So I refuse to make a deal come down. So I can immediately say this is multiplication for I squared. So that's -1, -4, -4, -8, right? That am I correct? Yeah, 8, yeah. 8, and then I can do EIX minus, so I never agreed. EIX over here, parentheses over here, and then EI5X plus EI5X parentheses EI4X minus EI4X. We can simplify it that way. Why? Actually, the question is, why does this work? I never even considered that, actually. But I actually don't want that polynomial. Don't want to do that. There's a fly here. Great. So I can do parentheses, parentheses, parentheses. I'm pretty sure it's because of that stupid water I have on the trash can over here. And threw away some a sugary drink, and I think it's attracting flies there. Great, wouldn't matter. And I'm too lazy to actually do the math here. It's not even if it was a test, I would probably sucking at it. But it's not luckily. Hey, use your. I mean, maybe I should try doing it. Nah. I'm hesitating here because I know it's torture. Usually, the professors and the professors I met only gives like these questions. I should probably delete one of them. Yeah, to make it easier. But you can actually do this. I just want to prove that this is actually possible. Um, having it this way because I got an answer down, I believe, in here. In here, actually, I got an answer down. Actually, why am I doing this if I have an answer already? Yeah, I think I have an answer down already. It was a torturous. If I remember correctly, it was very torturous. And if I'll be sad if that's go. Wait, what happened here? Oh no! Oh no! Oh fuck! I don't know how it got deleted. Oh my god, where did that? Oh my god, where? Seriously, where is it? I do know I did it before, didn't I? Oh no, did I? Oh, here it is. You finally get this in the end. Uh, I didn't show my steps. Great. Um, let's make sure that this works over here. Um, no, 0.25. I don't remember that graph being like that. Did I do this wrong? Shit, I might have done this wrong. Okay. Please say I got this right. Oh. No, I got it right. Yeah, look, they're the same line. If I toggle it off, these two get the same line. So it's indeed possible. It's just very torturous. It is that long, convoluted shenanigans over here that tortures everyone's soul. If you wanted to do it, go ahead. I don't want to do it, and I will never want to do it. Only a psychopath would want to do this shit. Actually, thinking about it, this question's awful. Maybe I should make it much easier and give a simpler example. Yeah, thinking about it, what kind of person wants to actually do this question? No one. But actually, listen, now I'm kind of want to do it. Now let's see if I remember. It's like 6ix, if I remember correctly. And then this goes to over here, which is negative. No. This goes first, which is 6, and this goes second, which is e. Um, and how does this work? It's plus, right? Yeah. I'm trying to remember how to polynomials. It's been a long time since I used actual polynomials. So that is 4 negative 4ix, and this bug still. And then over here would be plus e to the 4ix. You can kind of see how they will match. And then this will be plus e to the negative 6ix. You can see over here that they match, so you can actually turn them back to sine and cosine. Oh, now here's a horrible part. You have to actually do e I for x. I think to get the answer I actually used wolf alpha because that's the only way to get this shit out. Because no, actually, oh yeah, that and then you have to do all this shit. Oh no.